Hi everyone, welcome to Draftsman Studio. Today we are going to see tribal women art with acrylic painting. For that I am using Cheerios cardboard. Yes, it's art from waste material. Please do the outline with pencil or trace it out according to your choice. Then lay with white completely to hide the cardboard brown color. With sponge brush, go ahead and fill the background with copper color. While using the sponge brush, make sure to hold it vertical and horizontal alternatively to bring out this output. I've started to color the first woman with violet light blue. Make sure to hide the base white completely by giving more layers of violet light blue. Then go ahead and finish the second woman with green yellow. Try to use attractive colors. Same way, finish off the third woman, pot, barrels and hat. Very important part is detailing, so please watch keenly. With fine point Sharpie, do the details as shown. For more thinner lines, I use 03 micron pen. For contrast, I went for silver for the remaining highlights as shown. This is how it looks finally. You can frame it as such. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Draftsman Studio. Thank you. See you all in another video.